Welcome. Now we can see Nifty Auto Index, whether it will go up or down, and silver, whether it will go down or when we can expect a reversal or it will go down. Also, Sterlite Tech, it is a very bullish stock, and Chennai Petroleum. Swing trading setup, resistance, stop loss hunting zone and all we can see. So first if you see Sterlite Tech, it is related to AI. So AI related stocks are very bullish. It is not directly involved in AI related operations, but it is involved in some network 5G related equipment manufacturing. You can see it is very bullish. Upper circuit from 440, upper circuit, and almost it went to 442, 640 upper circuit only. Then it has recently given a breakdown from the bottom end of the channel, and it has dropped down. Also, this Sterlite Tech and all already I have shared in my Twitter account, NiftyAuto Index. Vodafone already I share in my previous video. You can see silver like this. I regularly share in my GB investor zone. So NiftyAuto Index like that. So if you want, you can follow my Twitter ID also. So now you can see. So now after taking support at my multi-week support line and having a stop loss hunting line is there. What is stop loss hunting line? At the end of the video, you can learn. I will inform you. And again, it gave a bounce back from my multi-week support at 588. And as I told, stop loss hunting line. Whether it will go up, we have to see, because here there is a resistance and this bottom end of the channel will again act as a resistance. Again, upside there will be a resistance. So below this will be a support arrow. This is a wick filling arrow. What is wick filling arrow? At the end you will come to know. Below this is support as multi-month support is there. So whoever want to make exposure in AI, you can have a exposure in Sterlite. You can see, if you have doubt also, Sterlite Tech shares in upper circuit. They have launched a QIP premium also. You can see 500% up. What a stock. And 3 Indian stocks quietly winning from global AI boom despite market outflows. So it is very bullish. Now next we will know Chennai Petroleum. This also what will happen related to crude oil related stock. Regularly they give some dividends. Presently it is taking support at my support level around 1100, and bottom end of the channel is 1040, middle end of the channel 1147, top end 1255. So 1040 around 250 rupees swing trading range is there. So this is also what will happen regularly. It will jump by 5 or 10%. So these are all the news. Dividend stock. So you can see presently it is taking support. Next support is at 1063 multi-day supports. It will be good risk reward. If you take at stop loss hunting line is there around 1041, 1058, and bottom end of the channel, it will act as a very good support. There, if you take a exposure, it will be good. Mostly it should come down only, I believe. Let us see. Also, if it gives a breakout above the middle end of the channel, next resistance will be around 1183. Above there are multiple stop loss hunting lines, so definitely price will reach it. So these are all the supports and resistance. And below also you can see 995, there is a support. Below multiple stop loss hunting lines. Where there will be a reversal, your stop losses will get hunted. So you have to be very careful. At the end of the video, you will come to know. So now we will see the silver. Then NiftyAuto Index. Silver has given a sudden fall because dollar index went up. Even dollar index I predicted it will go up to 102. So almost you can see, now I will show you dollar index. Almost it went to 101.8. You can see this is the 102 I told, 102. Almost it went up to 101.8. How I can show you dollar index. You can see now I have told some 5 days back. You can see 5 days. Dollar index may revisit 102 zone to close the previous weekly candle upper tail. I told you this one. horizontal arrow. So almost it went to 101.8. From there it reversed. So it is very, very important you have to learn these things. Almost it went to dollar index went to 101.8. So now you can see silver. That's why silver also came crashing down. One of the reason for silver why it came down. So now you can see it has taken support at the multi-month support or multi-year support at 56.55. This horizontal arrow is wick completing candle. So whenever this wick completing arrow mark is there, you can expect some bounce back like that. So it is just inside the my resistance zone. Also support, weekly support is there. You can see weekly support, multi-week support line is there and stop loss hunting line is there. Middle end of the channel will act as a around 60.72 will act as a resistance. Above there's a resistance at 61. Again there's a resistance at 63.87. Stop loss hunting lines are also there. So it is having a support arrow mark weekly with candle support. Also there's a gap is also there, from where definitely it will bounce back again. So mostly it is taking support. So it may go to gap and fill the gap. Let us see. From there it may bounce back. Below, this is the bottom end of the channel, 41.245. Upper end of the channel, you can see, yeah, here it is. Upper end of the channel around 71.42. But above there is multiple stop loss, weekly stop loss hunting line, black lines. So definitely price will revisit. So now we have gone through Nifty Auto Index. We will see. Nifty Auto Index, presently it has given a breakout above my middle end of the channel, below which there was stop loss hunting line supports. So recently it gave a breakout above the middle end of the channel. There is a gap below around 26,310. So whenever dollar index is up, metals stocks will go down. Since auto index is related to metals, they will use metals. If metals go down, auto will go up. So stop loss hunting line is there, and you can see this is the multi-week resistance line 27072. I have told it will take resistance and come back around multi-week resistance line. In my Twitter account, you can see Nifty Auto at multi-week resistance level now 27056. I have shared 3 days before. So you can see 27056. It was going and touching there. So what I did, I exited from my auto. You can see the date, auto ETF. You can see the date 2026 25 6th 12:32 timing 2050 date 6123. I have exited. So you can see the date here. So around 24, you can see this is the 26th date. So from there, it has given a reversal. It was unable to close Nifty Auto Index with weekly resistance. If it gives already it has given a breakout, so probably it may again come down to stop loss hunting line to hunt your stop losses and take support there. Support is there at the middle end of the channel. Again, it may go up. Multiple stop loss hunting lines are there, and next multi-week resistance is there around 27,852. Above there is a multi-month resistance line around 27,928, and there is a gap line also to fill. Gap line definitely will come and fill when that is the dilemma 28,168. Again, top end of the channel, if you see 28,318. So it has given a bullish breakout, but due to weekly resistance, it has given a breakdown below that. So it is unable to break that. So it may go sideways. Let us see. So now we will see how to, what is stop loss hunting, those things and all. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investors Zone. Supply, what is supply? The resistance and supports are based on supply and demand concept. You can just go through. What is stop loss hunting line? Where big institutions will place stop loss to hunt our stop losses to create liquidity. So multi-week resistance, these are all legend. You can just go through. What is gap line? I have explained, and how to trade swing trading setup. I have clearly mentioned how to create a swing trading setup. swing bottom, discount zone, premium zone, swing top, when to make entry, how to exit, how to enter. So definitely I believe again you will come back and check my levels. So please like and share. When you come back again, at that time also you can like and subscribe. It will be useful for you. Whatever levels, whatever thinking is, I am giving the levels and all based on the retailer investor perspective only. Thank you.